Hey gearheads. Today, let's talk about the Tesla Cybertruck and its recent run-in with the law across the pond. This futuristic pickup truck has been turning heads since its unveiling, but it seems like it's hit a roadblock in the UK. The Cybertruck's radical design, while eye-catching, doesn't quite fit the mold of traditional vehicles, and that's where the trouble starts. The UK, like many countries, has strict regulations in place to ensure the safety and roadworthiness of vehicles. Unfortunately for Tesla, the Cybertruck in its current form doesn't meet these standards. This resulted in a rather embarrassing incident where a Cybertruck was seized by UK authorities. Let's delve into why the Cybertruck found itself on the wrong side of the law. The biggest hurdle for the Cybertruck in the UK is the lack of a Certificate of Conformity, or COC. This document is not just a formality, it is a critical requirement for any vehicle to be legally driven on UK roads. Without it, the Cybertruck cannot be registered, insured, or even driven legally. This document is essential for any vehicle to be legally driven on UK roads. It acts as a passport for the vehicle, certifying that it meets all the necessary safety and environmental standards set by the UK authorities. It certifies that the vehicle meets all the necessary safety and environmental standards. These standards are in place to ensure that all vehicles on the road are safe for both the driver and other road users, and that they do not cause undue harm to the environment. Without it, the Cybertruck is essentially considered an unregistered and potentially unsafe vehicle. This means it could be impounded by authorities if found on the road, leading to significant legal and financial repercussions for the owner. The lack of a COC isn't just a minor paperwork issue. It's a clear indication that the Cybertruck, as it stands, hasn't been designed with UK regulations in mind. This oversight could be a major stumbling block for Tesla as it tries to enter the UK market. This raises questions about how Tesla, a company known for its technological prowess, could overlook such a crucial aspect of entering a major automotive market. It suggests that there may be deeper issues at play, such as differences in regulatory standards between the US and the UK, or perhaps even a strategic decision by Tesla to prioritize other markets. Let's take a closer look at the specific issues that make the Cybertruck incompatible with UK regulations. From its unique design to its advanced technology, there are several factors that could be contributing to its current non-compliance. Understanding these issues is the first step towards finding a solution and making the Cybertruck a viable option for UK consumers. The Cybertruck's futuristic, angular design, while striking, presents several challenges in the UK. Its bold, unconventional look is a double-edged sword, drawing attention but also raising eyebrows among regulators and safety experts. First, its weight is a significant concern. The Cybertruck is not just a visual heavyweight, it's a literal one too. The Cybertruck's hefty build, thanks to its stainless steel construction and powerful electric drivetrain, likely exceeds the weight limits for certain UK roads and bridges. This could pose a problem for infrastructure that wasn't designed to handle such heavy loads, potentially leading to increased wear and tear on roads and bridges. Second, the Cybertruck's sharp edges and pointy design elements, while contributing to its unique aesthetic, raise concerns about pedestrian safety. The aggressive lines and angular features, though visually appealing to some, could be hazardous in the event of a collision with a pedestrian. UK regulations are particularly stringent when it comes to pedestrian safety, and the Cybertruck's unconventional shape might not meet the required standards. These regulations are in place to minimize injury in the event of an accident, and the Cybertruck's design might need significant modifications to comply. Finally, the Cybertruck's unconventional lighting setup, which ditches traditional headlights for a sleek LED bar, might not comply with UK lighting regulations. The LED bar, while modern and stylish, may not provide the same level of illumination and focus as traditional headlights. These regulations are designed to ensure adequate visibility for both the driver and other road users. Proper lighting is crucial for night driving and adverse weather conditions, ensuring that the vehicle is visible to others and that the driver has a clear view of the road ahead. The Cybertruck's minimalist approach to lighting might not provide the necessary illumination and signaling capabilities required in the UK. This could lead to potential safety issues, especially in low light conditions or during night driving, where visibility is paramount for preventing accidents. Did Tesla know? Navigating the regulatory maze. Now the big question is, did Tesla know about these regulatory hurdles? The automotive industry is no stranger to complex regulations, and Tesla, being a major player, is certainly aware of the challenges that come with entering new markets. It's hard to imagine that a company like Tesla, with its vast resources and global ambitions, would be completely unaware of the UK's strict automotive regulations. The UK has a well-documented history of stringent safety and environmental standards that all vehicles must meet before they can be sold. One possibility is that Tesla planned to address these issues closer to the Cybertruck's official launch in the UK. This approach would allow them to focus on the initial production and marketing efforts before tackling the regulatory compliance aspects. Modifying the vehicle's design and features to comply with UK regulations would require time and resources. This could involve changes to the vehicle's safety features, emissions controls, and even its overall design to meet the specific requirements of the UK market. Tesla might have been banking on resolving these issues after the initial hype surrounding the Cybertruck's unveiling had subsided. The company is known for its innovative approach, and might have believed that they could address any regulatory concerns in due course. Another possibility is that Tesla underestimated the complexities of the UK's regulatory landscape. The intricacies of compliance can be overwhelming, and even a company as experienced as Tesla can face unexpected challenges. Automotive regulations vary significantly from country to country, and navigating these differences can be a daunting task, even for a seasoned player like Tesla. Each market has its own set of rules and standards, making it essential for companies to thoroughly understand and prepare for these challenges before launching a new vehicle. Innovation versus regulation, a delicate balance. The Cybertruck's predicament highlights the delicate balance between automotive innovation and regulation. On one hand, we want to encourage innovation and push the boundaries of what's possible in the automotive world. The Cybertruck, with its radical design and electric powertrain, represents a bold step forward in automotive technology. On the other hand, regulations are essential for ensuring the safety of all road users and minimizing the environmental impact of vehicles. Regulations might seem like roadblocks to innovation, but they serve a crucial purpose in creating a safer and more sustainable automotive ecosystem. Section 6. The future of the Cybertruck in the UK, a waiting game. So what does the future hold for the Cybertruck in the UK? It's clear that Tesla has some work to do if it wants to see its futuristic pickup truck cruising down British roads. Tesla will need to address the regulatory issues head-on, either by modifying the Cybertruck's design to comply with UK standards or working closely with UK authorities to find a compromise. Until then, the Cybertruck's fate in the UK remains uncertain. A final word: embracing progress responsibly. The Cybertruck saga in the UK is a reminder that progress doesn't happen in a vacuum. While we should celebrate innovation and applaud companies like Tesla for pushing the envelope, it's equally important to do so responsibly and within the framework of existing regulations. Ultimately, the goal should be to foster an automotive landscape where innovation and safety go hand in hand, paving the way for a future where technology enhances our driving experience without compromising our well-being.